Face fillets have several uses. They can span across small gaps. They can be useful in blending complex surfaces, and they can be defined by a boundary line instead of a radius. Let's take a look at an example of spanning across a gap. Sometimes a complicated model can end up with small gaps without you knowing. This can also be a result of bad imported geometry. In this case, I've created an example that has one of those difficult to detect gaps. If I attempt to create a fillet on this edge, you can see by the preview that something is wrong. In fact, if I zoom in, you can see that there is a tiny gap between these two faces. In the case of a complex model, it can be difficult to find the cause of a gap like this. Instead of trying to fix this, you can use a face fillet to blend the two faces across the gap. I'll select the fillet icon and change the fillet type to face fillet. I'll specify the radius and select the two faces that I wish to blend. Notice that each face must be selected into a separate selection window. The selections will be color-coded matching their corresponding window. I'll click OK and the fillet is complete.